Hello everybody, I'm Risa Sagrias. Welcome to Michael's Mighty Kitchen. Today we will see how to make soya chunks roast. We all know what is soya chunks. Soya chunks are the byproduct which we get when we make soya oil. I have taken 200 gram of soya chunks to make soya fry. But for a family of 2 or 3, 100 gram is good enough. First I will just wash it once. Now add these soya chunks to the boiling water. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt to this. Let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will meet again. Soya chunks turned cold, so I will squeeze out the water from this. I squeezed out completely. Now our next step. I kept a kadai, switch on the gas. Going to put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use any type of cooking oil as you wish. We wait for the oil to turn hot. Oil is hot now. I am going to put 1.5 inch ginger chopped into pieces. Then garlic, 12 garlic chopped into small size. Just for 1 minute. After that we will add 2 chopped onion, 2 chopped garlic, 2 chopped onion, 3 chopped green chilies. Little curry leaves. We have to mix it till the time the onion turns lightly gold. The onion turned into light golden color. Put the gas on low flame. I will add all masalas now. 1 teaspoon chili powder. This is spicy chili powder. 3 teaspoon dhania powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. 1/2 teaspoon jeera powder. Mix it for 15 to 20 seconds. After this, add chopped tomatoes in this. I have taken 2 tomatoes. Mix it nicely till the time the tomato gets cooked properly. I will add little salt also now. Going to add only 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'll add some pepper powder later. Gas is in low flame. I am going to cover it and keep. It will get cooked within 3-4 minutes. I mixed it twice in between. If not, it will get caught at the bottom of the pan. And I cut the tomatoes into very small pieces so it got cooked fast. If not, you may have to add little water. Now I will add around 100 ml of water. And juice of half lime, around 1 teaspoon. Gas into medium flame. Gravy started boiling. Add the soya chunks. Instead of tomatoes, if you want, you can add tomato sauce. We are putting the tomato sauce, at least 2 tablespoons tomato sauce you have to put. Now we have to mix it at least for 4 to 5 minutes. Now I will taste and see how much pepper powder to be put. Because of the green chilli, I think it is already spicy. So I will put only half teaspoon of pepper powder. Still there is little gravy down. You have to dry it out. I'm going to add little more curry leaves. If you are taking little more bigger size soya chunks, you may have to cut it into 2 or 3 pieces. Actually, this is a perfect size. Our soya chunks dry roast is done. Our soya chunk dry roast is ready. It's a good source of protein, especially for the people who are on low calorie diet or a weight reducing diet. But for the muscle builders, it is better to have paneer as a source of protein instead of soya bean. Hope you all liked my video. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. I will be soon back with another video. Till then, bye bye.